How to update your organization details. Log into your account and go to Settings from the navigation bar. Update the details you want. The organization ID is unique and cannot be changed. You can update organization name, organization address, city, state, zip code and phone number. After updating the required details, please click on Update button. Your organization details has been updated successfully. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.